This video will explain how to easily record notes for your students. Here I have a demo class on the main screen. Tap the green note icon to the right of any student name to go to that student notes. So I'll tap the one for John Smith. Here you can see it's the default date range is set to all. We're on the student notes. There's a tab for parent as well, so you can see you can switch back and forth. And if you do talk to parents and want to record notes for parents, that's very easy as well. I'll switch back to student. Here you can see the date with the current notes. Right now the app supports both positive and improvement notes. So the positive notes are in green and needs improvement is in red. So if I tap the plus button, I have a couple options. You can see the first one is the quick note settings. So I'm going to tap that first. Right now, here are the positive notes and need improvement notes. And these are the same for all classes. So any notes that you think you'll use quite often, you can go ahead and add here. And it's as simple as tapping the plus button and selecting a needs improvement or positive note. Also, these are the default ones. You can easily tap the three dots to the right of any note. You can change the order, edit the note, or delete the note. So that way you can customize it the way you want. And you can even go ahead and tap here, and if you need to change the title of those positive and needs improvement, you can do that as well. All right, so I'll go back to the student note here. So if I'd like to add a note, I can tap that again. I have the choice of the positive and the needs improvement options, or a custom note if you want to add something just specific to that student that is not used very often. I will tap positive. You can see there's the selection, and I'll choose excellent group work. And as you can see at the bottom, it has today's date and that. If you need to change the date, just tap the three dots to the right of a note, select change date, and you can easily edit the date there, and the notes will be sorted by date quite easily. You can also generate a PDF. At the top, you'll see a PDF option. You can view that report and email it. And if you have an active subscription, you also have the option of generating a PDF of all the students in the class. So that's as a one combined PDF. And also you can email reports to students or parents. And if you have the Gmail, if you've linked to a Gmail account in the settings, it'll send a report to each student or parent for the whole class. So that saves a lot of time from doing it individually. Just do the view this report right now. And you can see there's the report right there. Lastly, there's also the date range. So right now it's defaulted to all, but you can tap that. And you can look at just today, this week, this month, or last month, and even get a specific date range yourself. So there's a lot of things you can do there to edit that. So, and lastly, the pie chart at the top will show you the ratio of improvement notes to positive notes. So it's very easy. And if I go back to the main screen here, I can tap the sort icon. And you can see you can sort students by first and last name, but also by the % positive comments. So if I tap that, really quick, you can see the students that have gotten mostly positive comments at the top, all the way down to the bottom where there's students that have maybe struggling a bit more and not having as many positive comments. So that's a way to easily view your students. Okay, hope you found that useful. Thank you.